Yo guys, so recently people asked me on my Instagram, how do I do my Instagram reels? How do I make those Instagram reels? It's kind of simple. I'm actually going to show you how do I do that today. So for the first step, you basically want to have a video editing software, which can be Adobe Premiere Pro, which can be DaVinci, which can be any free application as well. So you don't need to have a paid application just like this. You can follow the steps and it should be the same. So once you open up your editing software, you want to go ahead and make a new project. So once you made the project, you want to obviously have some footage. Now this footage should be shot in 1080p. So for this video, I'll be using a S14 video shoot. You saw this video before. That's this one. So as you can see, you just want to delete also the sound of your video, obviously. Not to actually do the effect. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to sequence. Then you want to head over to the sequence settings and you want to put your time base. You always want to put this on 60 frames to get the smoothest feeling of the video. And this is the main part. So you see the frame size. Now as you can see, 1920 by 1080. Now what you simply want to do is you just want to swap this around and put it there and put this on the other side. It's that simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in 1080p but this side horizontal I'm going to put 19 by 20. You just want to click OK. And there you go, you actually have the effect now. Now once you're done with that, you want to simply just click on your clip and you want to go ahead and go to scale. And as you can see, the clip is not fitting that much because you can obviously tell that 3 clips would not fit in this block. So what I would do is I would go with 60 and there you go, that would fit. And then what I will do is I'll just position it up and put it on top. There you go. So once you actually got your 3 main clips, you want to click on the middle one and you just want to pull it all the way down. And you want to put it in the center just like that. You want to click on the last one and you want to put that at the end all the way there, just there. And there you go, you actually see the effect now. So once you actually have the effect, the final thing you want to obviously do is add the music. The music is the most important part. It just gives that, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and just add some music quick. So I finally added some music to the edit. Now here's an extra tip that I can give you if you're looking forward to actually go. Once you actually have the clip, what you want to do is you want to go ahead on YouTube and you want to find the most played part in the song. So what you want to do is find the most played part and you just want to put it there. And at your 5-second bar, just there for your 5 seconds, you want to go ahead and just cut it off just like that. Delete that. And there you go. Now obviously we're not yet done because we want to loop the clip. Now let's do that. So what you want to do is you want to loop it to the beat. So you simply just want to listen to the audio and hear what it's like, hear that drop, and then you can loop it there. So what you want to actually do to extend the clips is you want to right click on it, you want to head over to the speed, and what I would normally do is I would just put it on 70, and this is the most important thing here. You want to change this frame sampling, you want to change it to optical flow. And once you're done with that, you just want to do it obviously to the other clips. So I will do it to the other clips. Not to actually loop the video, you simply just want to copy the video and you want to head over to copy and you just want to press Ctrl plus V on your keyboard and we'll simply just paste the videos. Then you want to just drag it over. Then you want to select all the videos, right click on it and you want to head over to speed and you want to reverse the speed. You just want to click on that and you want to click OK. And it will give that effect there. And yeah, that's what I do. That's what I do. So I hope this video actually helped the people that have been asking how do I do my reels, and that's simply how I do it. It's that easy. But anyway, if you found this video actually helpful, please like the video and also share it to your friends on Instagram or wherever. That will be helpful. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.